This is a quick video explaining why decentralization is so important in the cryptocurrency space. Yesterday, one of the fastest growing blockchains, the Ronin blockchain or Ronin Network, was hacked for over $600 million. Now, the Ronin Network is the blockchain, a primary blockchain for Axie Infinity. It processes all Axie Infinity transactions. Now, the amount was $1,733,600. All right, that of Ethereum, that equals to around $600 million. This is a huge hack, one of the biggest cryptocurrency hacks today, and this is why I preach that decentralization is so important. All right, the Ronin blockchain is 100% centralized. Okay, the team on the Ronin network controls all nodes. They control all validators. Centralized exchanges are getting hacked all the time. We saw this in Solana when Solana got hacked by a dedicated denial of service attack. Now, they didn't lose any money, but the Solana blockchain and the Solana network was down for a good amount of time, which actually did cause them to lose money that they would have made if the network was up and running. Ronin blockchain has only 9 validators that are all ran by the team. All right. Let's keep in mind for perspective, Ethereum has about over 270,000 validators. All right. And in the Bitcoin network and Ethereum network, different people across the world run nodes. All right. Nodes are not just controlled in one central area by one team behind the Bitcoin network or Ethereum network. True decentralization has shown that it's the winner. The Bitcoin network cannot be hacked. It has never been hacked. The Ethereum network cannot be hacked. It has never been hacked. Nodes are all across the world, and everybody is chipping in and running these networks, okay? Not just one team like the Ronin blockchain is doing. All right, you hate to see a crypto network lose money. I feel really sorry for the Ronin team and the money that they've lost. The Ronin, the token, the DAO governance token of Ronin actually dropped around 20 to 30%, just like 2 to 3 hours after they were hacked, which is really sad to see because investors in their token also, or their DAO token, the DAO governance token, because they don't have an actual token, lost a lot of money. But this, like I said, it shows why decentralization is so important in the cryptocurrency space. All right, I don't think you should just start a blockchain and have it so centralized and not have different validators and nodes spread apart. All right, because it's centralized and it's easy to be attacked. All right, those centralized blockchains are easily attacked. As of right now, it does appear though that the wallet address of the hacker that hacked the Ronin network has been blacklisted on all centralized exchanges, but that does not stop him from using a decentralized exchange or a DEX. Now, it's going to be pretty hard for that hacker to be able to off-ramp his physical cryptocurrency. He can put it in privacy networks like Tornado Cash and try to move, the crypto around to different addresses like Tornado Cash does to try to be able to withdraw that money. But hey, Tornado Cash has been already busted by the Department of Justice for helping NFT rug pull scams. And the scammers that used Tornado Cash to try to change their coins were actually ended up being caught by the Department of Justice. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if these hackers caught. But like I said, it kind of shows, I know people want to move to proof of stake and they want to move to different ways of mining cryptocurrency that are healthy for the environment and positive for the environment. But the Bitcoin network and the Ethereum network have never been hacked. All right. It shows that even though mining and proof of work is very bad for the environment, or is worse for the environment than proof of stake, it's the most secure. That's all I have for y'all today. If you want to buy any type of cryptocurrency, you want to buy Ronin, you want to buy Ethereum, or you want to buy Bitcoin, the lowest fees you can get, Gate.io. So if you want to set up a Gate.io account and you don't already have one, look in the description and my link is there. You can use my referral link to set up. You get some free crypto when you set up, and I will also. We both get free crypto. Who doesn't like free crypto? All right, that's all I have for y'all today. Y'all have a blessed day.